Stop for a moment. If you feel the world is unfair to you, listen carefully. If you want to improve your English and your mindset together, subscribe now to JA Info Urdu. This story is not just for listening. This story is for your courage. This story can change how you see justice, power, and yourself. Today's topic matters because many people believe power means oppression. They think leadership means fear. They think strength means hurting others. The life of Hazrat Umar Arda teaches us something different. It teaches us that real power is justice, real strength is responsibility, and real leadership begins with fear of Allah and care for people. Listen slowly, listen with your heart, and let this story guide you. Hazrat Umar Arda was once known as a strong and tough man. People feared him. His walk was firm. His voice was powerful. Before Islam, he believed strength was shown by force. But when Islam entered his heart, everything changed. Not his strength, his direction. He did not become weak. He became just. As the second caliph of Islam, Hazrat Umar Arda ruled a vast empire. But his life was simple. His clothes were simple. His home was simple. He slept on the ground. He walked alone at night. Why? Because he believed leadership was not comfort. It was duty. One night, Hazrat Umar Arda was walking through the streets of Medina. No guards, no royal clothes, just a leader checking on his people. He heard the sound of children crying from a small house. He stopped. Inside, a mother was boiling water in a pot. But there was no food inside. The children were crying from hunger. The mother was trying to calm them by pretending food was coming. Hazrat Umar asked her why the children were crying. She said, "They are hungry, and Umar does not care about us." She did not know she was speaking to Umar himself. Hazrat Umar felt his heart shake. Tears came to his eyes. He did not argue. He did not defend himself. He said nothing. He ran to the Baitul Ma'al, the state treasury. He carried a sack of food on his own back. His servant offered to carry it. Hazrat Umar replied, "Will you carry my burden on the day of judgment?" He cooked the food with his own hands. He fed the children. He waited until they smiled. Only then did he leave. This is justice. This is leadership. Learn this lesson. If you are responsible for others, their pain is your pain. If you have power, it is a test, not a reward. Hazrat Umar once said, "If a dog goes hungry near the river Euphrates, Umar will be responsible." Think about that. Not a human, even an animal. This mindset changed history. Once, a man came to Hazrat Umar with a complaint. The man said the governor had wronged him. Hazrat Umar did not protect the governor. He protected justice. He called the governor. He listened to both sides. Then, he allowed the weak man to take justice from the strong. No fear, no favor. This teaches you a powerful lesson. Justice does not look at status. Justice looks at truth. Hazrat Umar lived with constant self-check. He questioned himself every day. Did I do enough? Did I wrong anyone? Did I serve properly? This is mindset. Great people do not ask, "What did I get?" They ask, "What did I give?" Now listen carefully. Justice starts with belief. Belief that Allah is watching. Belief that every action matters. Then comes action. Doing the right thing even when it is hard. Standing with truth even when you are alone. Then comes discipline. Controlling your anger. Controlling your ego. Controlling your desires. Hazrat Umar could punish, but he chose fairness. He could enjoy power, but he chose simplicity. Ask yourself now. Do you stand for what is right, even when it costs you? Do you care for others, even when no one sees you? Do you want power or do you want purpose? Toward the end of his life, Hazrat Umar R.A. remained humble. He feared Allah more than he feared enemies. He knew leadership ends, but accountability never ends. This is where the story reaches your heart. You may not be a ruler, you may not lead a nation, but you lead your choices, you lead your words, you lead your actions. Be just with yourself. Be honest in your efforts. Be fair in your dealings. If justice can shape an empire, it can shape your future. Now feel this moment. Imagine a world where people are fair, where power protects, not destroys, where leaders serve, not rule. That world begins with you. If the justice of Hazrat Umar R.A. can inspire hearts after centuries, your good actions can inspire someone today. Keep learning, keep listening, keep improving your English and your character. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu for more English listening stories that build your mindset and confidence. And remember this final line: when justice lives in your heart, no power in the world can break you.